Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do weekly love reading for Taurus at sign for the month of October. This is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see your messages. Taurus. First card for the reading. Nine of Cups. Wow. Eight of Cups. Lot of water energy. Seven of Swords. I think you walked away from your person, or your person maybe walked away from you. Energy could be vice versa, but definitely there is separation between both of you, because I think it's you walked away from your person. Taurus, I'm getting, because your person sneaky. Seven of Swords is very negative card. They are manipulative and they are playing mind games with you. Nine of Cups. I think you are wishing for this connection, but later you found the truth. That could be third party, whatever, or miscommunication, false communication, or your person maybe lied to you, cheated on you, whatever. Then you walked away. So let's see some more. Let's pull some more cards, then we will get clarity. Wow, the Star, Ace of Pentacles, Judgment. Yeah, I think you may be concentrating on your career, because you walked away from this connection. Now you want to, because Nine of Cups with the Star and Ace of Pentacles. Definitely for some you are concentrating on your career. Judgment. Yes, you made some major decision, I am getting. Taurus, definitely you made some major decision. Judgment. Some legal decision. If you are in third party situation, you may be divorced from your partner. If you found that your person may be cheated on you. Some major decisions. Judgment. I think for some you concentrating on your career, because Nine of Cups, wish fulfillment. Definitely with the Star, definitely you are seeing hopes in other area of your life. So life is not about love, it's all areas. Six of Cups, lot of water energy. You or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. The Tower, Page of Wands. You will receive communication from your person and some messages, because after you walked away, they feel like Six of Cups, you are their soulmate. You both have strong soulmate and past life connection with each other. Still you are apart from your person, still you love your person, because you feel this type of connection with your person and your person also. That's why then this Tower moment is happened to your person, because you walked away, because you know they are manipulative, they are cheated on you. But for some only this, not for all. Then they realize your worth and they will send some message, some communication. I think one person may be younger than the other person in this connection. I think one person may be very good looking and handsome. It could be you or your person. Lot of water energy here. Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Let's see some more messages. Seven of Wands. Five of Cups, separation. Energy could be vice versa. If your person walked away, you are feeling very sad for the separation. Seven of Cups. Yeah, I think you are very defensive mode right now, Taurus, because your person maybe lied to you, cheated on you. That's why you are very defensive, not making any move, not talking to your person. But your person right now, they are very sad. See this card. Yeah, Seven of Cups, they are fantasizing about you a lot. And for some, your person may be in some confusion state. So let's pull some cards regarding your person current feelings and actions. Let's see first your person current feelings and action, then we will get clarity, more clarity. Your person current feelings. Moment to moment. Yes, juggling. Two of Pentacles. I think for some your person maybe have options. That's why you know the truth, then you walked away, Taurus. Innocence means the sun. For some children's also involved. It could be third party situation. Creativity, the Empress. Yeah, I think for some the other person is also involved in this connection. Two of Pentacles, still your person may be juggling. So let's pull their action, then we will get clarity. Your person here, future actions towards you. Healing, King of Cups. The Rebel, Emperor and Empress. You both are strong couple, stubborn couple. Beyond illusion, Judgment. I think they want to offer their cup of love to you, but they want healing. First they have to heal to come towards you. For some it could be third party situation. Please leave your person. For some, those who are not in third party situation, definitely your person undergo some transformation, and then they will become the Empress and Emperor, and then they will become honest. Sorry guys. And they will become honest, and they will after the transformation, they will come towards you and offer their cup of love to you. Yeah, the Rebel means the Emperor. Yes, they stand by their power. This time they may be loyal to you because they made some major decision. Judgment is here because in past your person may be juggling between things. Two of Pentacles. It could be their career and you. It could be two persons, but they realize you both and they want the sun, innocence, their happiness with you. If there is no third party, definitely you have to think twice. If there is third party, please leave your person. So let's pull some cards for the connection, where it is headed. Hangman. Yes, your person stuck. Spiritual awakening, I already told you. The Devil. Page of Cups. Four of Swords. I think the one person who is in Four of Swords energy is you. Taurus. Or for some it could be your person also, because your person right now spiritual awakening, they are thinking about the other person a lot. The Hangman. Yes, they are spiritual awakening, they are stuck right now. After the transformation, after the healing, there is a chance for your person to come towards you, because right now they are in some devil energy, there is some obsession, there is some negative energy. After the healing, this energy will be gone, and you or your person could be Capricorn. I think there is some obsession in this connection, some deception. Yeah, you will receive some messages from your person and some apology. You can expect some apology from your person, and after they realize your worth. Yes, Four of Swords. It could be you or your person thinking about the other person a lot but not taking any action right now. Yeah, if it is you, you are not going to accept their offer right now, because right now you are thinking more. Definitely your person will come after the healing process, because without you, your person like this. Energy could be vice versa. If the walked away person is your person, then you realize your person what, then you want your person back. So let's see your overall energy. Taurus. Yeah, Ten of Swords. You fed up with your person energy. You don't want anything because you are totally giving up. For some, you want also rebirth in this connection, but you are taking your own time. Right now you are not ready for this connection, because like this you are feeling like this. Taurus. For some you want rebirth again, new start, new beginnings. Let's see your person overall energy. Fighting. They are in this mode. Overall energy, they have to heal. Adventure. Page of Pentacles. And Patience. Seven of Pentacles. Yes, I think there is no patience in this connection. I think your person is very impatient in past. Page of Pentacles, very slow energy. Page of Pentacles means is very small offer. King of Pentacles is very good offer. So before accepting your offer, please be careful. But in action cards, you person the Emperor mode. Definitely Emperor is very honest and very loyal and committed. So depending upon your situation, if there is no third party, definitely you have to give another chance to your person. If it is third party, no second option, no other thing, no other thought. Because you are already started concentrating on your career, but your person wants second chance with you. It's up to you to give second chance or not. After healing, they will approach you. Right now they are stuck. So this is the reading for you, Taurus. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please the click icon, bell icon, then you will get my all notifications. Bye.